All right, pretty good, sir. So you say, where did he actually do it?
That little row of bushes by the fence on this side of the men's room.
Okay, this one right here?
Mm-hmm.
That one right there?
Yeah, and I can
in
show
front of
you.
that,
I'm sure the evidence is there.
in front of that white trailer right there.
Yeah, or whatever that thing is. It's a tank, but
Okay, you mind if I get your, you have driver's license or?
I can run home and get it.
Yeah,
I
if
live
you
across
can.
the street.
Yeah, if you can.
But thanks for coming so fast, guys. That's an obnoxious call, but.
I mean, there's bathrooms right there.
Well, yeah, so we had another guy that was pissing on that metal box a couple weeks ago and then helicoptering for some unknown reason. And I probably should have called in that one. I don't want that one. There's bare ass pointing out.
Yep, right there.
Go, yep, that's it. Do you need anything else, or I'll go get my license?
Yeah, just your license. Poop right there.
I'm Officer Lopez. What's your name? Can you stand up, please? What's going on?
Nothing much. Someone saw me moving my bowels behind the bushes. Over there, behind, next to the bathroom. All the bathrooms are locked.
Okay.
So when I had to do it, so nobody should have seen me. But there was
bathroom at the police station right across the street.
Well, I didn't know that.
Oh, well, your excuse kind of sucks.
Oh, it does.
Yeah.
Well, if you could go to the scene, I mean, I don't think it would. If we could walk over to the scene.
There's a bathroom right across the street at the police department.
Well, I did not know that.
We are very reasonable here in Key West.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if you have talked to any officers, but out of all places that you can pick, you do it at a park where I have children playing right now.
Yeah. Can we?
This is the last place you can go. You can go over there. I don't know, because I understand if you have to go, you have to go, right? You gotta go.
Well,
but dude, like at least try, like I don't know, go across the street, go over there.
I mean,
like this is a
may I
park.
ask, go across the street to where, sir?
Sir,
No,
again, you are a grown man. I shouldn't have this conversation with you where it's not okay to do something like this when children are around.
But no children should have seen me.
Okay.
There was a.
Oh my God! Are you
man,
serious?
There was a man.
Are you serious?
Oh yes. If we could go over to, I can show you. If we were to go over to it.
Just imagine you're the judge reading the police report.
Well,
and it says Mr. Harrison Sanchez says that it was okay because no children should have seen it.
well, no, but nobody should have seen me. There was a guy walking. There was a guy walking his dog. He was the only one who saw me, and he called the police. I don't think he should have done that. I was behind the bushes.
No, what you are the one that shouldn't have been doing this. You are the one that are in the wrong. As much as I want to be reasonable and understandable and empathize with you, I can't.
Would it be all right if we would go over to the scene, just to the bathrooms over there?
It doesn't matter. It's a park, and I have children playing in the park.
Why aren't the bathrooms open today?
I don't know, sir. I do not know. But you are a grown man.
Yes,
and
very, very
you
much.
can use your common sense.
Yes.
I think everybody can agree with me that doing what you did at a park, it's not okay. That's not okay. Again, if you're the one, I don't know, on the sidewalk over there by, I don't know, a house where no children is around, I don't have children around, you have to go. I understand that. I can be reasonable and I can work with that. But this, out of all places, I shouldn't have to tell you this. You are a grown man.
I am a very grown man. Yes, sir. Like if the bathrooms weren't locked, I would be using the bathroom. That's all I'm trying to tell you, sir. I did not know there was a bathroom in the police station across the street. I've never used that bathroom across the street in the police station. I've been here almost 6 years. Wow. Yeah. If you have time, we could walk over to the sink.
I don't care.
You could see my shoes.
I don't care.
You know,
Again,
you know where it's coming from in my shoes.
all I
so.
care is that I have children in this park. That's all I care about. Whether you did it here, over there,
Yeah.
over there,
Well,
I don't
well,
care.
I wouldn't do
It's
it
a park.
I wouldn't do it here, there, or over there, sir. I would, if I had to do it here, I would go behind a bush, like I did, and do it. I wouldn't do it here, there, or there. Yeah. Yeah.
You know those bathrooms are open,
No,
right?
the bathrooms are closed. All the bathrooms are closed today. All the bathrooms are closed.
Did you go check to see if the bathrooms are closed? They're usually open right now.
No, they're all closed. That's what I went to. I went to the bathroom. They're all closed.
Do you mind checking?
So this is the problem I have, though. All right, you're still defecating in front of kids.
I'm
and
not.
people.
I'm not really defecating in front of kids. I'm behind a bush. Can
No,
we go
sir,
over to the sink?
Your butt was exposed.
Yeah.
All right, to people, and
Yeah.
on the backside of it, people playing tennis.
But not in front of me. To the diagonally, not in front of me. There's a place where they keep equipment.
But you
It's-
couldn't
it's-
go. You could have gone to the police station.
That's what the officer told me. I did not know there was a bathroom in the police station that I could use. I've been here 6 years. I've never gone to the bathroom in the police station.
There's a bathroom right in the lobby that's open to the public.
Okay, well. Yeah.
Time out.
I just hate hugging you.
Still, I just wanted to know. Still.
Yeah.
Shoot, bushes. That guy was RP? That guy was RP?
All right, let me ask you something. You got any rags or anything like that?
Any rags?
Yeah, any rags or anything like that?
By a rag? No, I don't have any rags.
Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. One, you're gonna clean that up.
No. Okay.
I have bags.
Oh.
You have bags?
Oh, okay, yeah,
You're gonna
no,
clean that up.
yes, I will clean
You're
that up,
not
yes.
just gonna freaking leave that.
Oh,
like
okay,
that,
yes,
all
I
right?
will clean that up, yes. Right, you want me to do it now?
He's gonna get bags real quick. All right?
Yeah.
Is that all your belongings right there?
Yes.
And even a pair of gloves.
Thank you. There you go.
Okay. Do you need my ID?
What?
Do you need my ID?
I'm gonna hold on to it.
Okay.
All right.
Yep.
I'm gonna hold on to it.
Yeah. You want me to leave this here?
No, you take that with you. Lieutenant, I got this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Do you want to be a victim of disorderly conduct?
I don't know if I want my involvement going much further. I'm not sure I know what it means though either.
All it is just a reporting party.
Oh.
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh, okay.
Pretty much like
The state will-
you're like
Yeah, I'm fine with
you
that.
don't want to be you're tired of people like this,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
you're the victim as far as reporting.
The state
that.
might give you a call and
The
ask
victim
you
word
how-
is what threw me
Yeah,
off. No, I'm fine.
Exactly.
So
Yeah,
the
I
state
get it.
might give you a call and ask how you were affected, and
Yeah.
just be honest
Yeah.
with them.
I'm just like, and you
It's
tell them
Postman's
your
bare ass.
Yeah.
Cigar.
All right.
All right. Thanks, buddy.
Thank you.